Hello, how you doing? So we've got tomato rice on the go today. Some lovely little flavors in there. Vegetarian, vegan, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's have a quick look at what we're using here. So they've got 3 cups of tomatoes. Cut them nice and small. If you can, try and use a nice ripe tomato. 1 cup of onion, 1 cup roughly, or 250 grams actually, of tomato paste, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a tablespoon of garlic, and in here 1 teaspoon each. We've got chili, salt, cumin, turmeric, and cardamom powder. Let's get moving. So I've got in there some oil, about 3 tablespoons, using the sunflower oil. Gonna drop in that cup of onion, tablespoon of garlic, teaspoon cumin seeds. We're going to go for about 4 minutes on a medium heat. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to drop in our 3 cups of fresh tomato. We're going to go for like 5 or 6 minutes now. We really want to cook these down kind of to a bit of a mush. That's why I said try and use a nice ripe tomato if you can. These are looking great. Next up, we're going to add in our powders. Let's take a look. So we've got salt, chili, cardamom, turmeric, and cumin. You can change that if you want to whatever you fancy. In that goes, as does the cup or 250 grams of tomato paste. Now what we're going to be doing here is we really need to kind of cook the tomato paste out. So we're going to go for about another 5 minutes or so, medium heat, stirring fairly often. So really important to cook the paste out, like really don't skip this at all. 5 minutes I've done, you can go a bit longer if you want. Next up, we're going to add our rice. Now I've got here, I'll just show you now. I've got 5 cups here, 5 or 6 cups of a cooked basmati rice. Now again, what's important is this rice was cooked yesterday. You don't want to put hot or warm rice into this. Cold rice, it's been in the refrigerator, it kind of dries out a little bit while it's in there. Works really nicely. As you can see, we're folding this in and we're going to do this for another 4 to 5 minutes, again on a medium heat. Okay, off goes the heat. Absolutely wonderful. Now if you wanted, you could run some fresh cilantro or coriander through that, maybe some fresh chili, some black pepper. Adjust it how you want, but that really is delicious. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.